Hey, Pete from Concrete Hero. I'm just going to walk you through a project we recently completed. We have a driveway that we're going to be basically bringing back to life here. And you can see our technician, Yvonne's been doing this for many, many years. He starts off by drilling his holes. They are 5/8 of an inch, about the size of a dime, which is a big advantage when compared to mudjacking, which is going to have these monster-sized holes about 1 to 2 inches. So he's got his holes drilled. Now he's going to go ahead and begin the actual lifting of the driveway. And he's going to carefully jump from port to port, making sure obviously not to overlift it. That's no good. Also making sure not to damage the concrete. So, you know, it's a delicate process, but a highly effective process. Polyurethane is resistant to erosion, to water, to shrinkage. So that's what makes it such a great material for lifting and stabilizing concrete slabs. He's all done with the lifting. So now it's time to give this driveway a bath. We're going to power wash all the dirt off of it. And we have our chief power washer here, Sal Catalano. Might be the oldest power washer out there, and he works really hard at what he does, and he's very proud of what he does. And you can see just how nice it is power washing a driveway. Very simple thing to do, but it makes a huge difference on the final product, just washing away all that dirt. So driveway is clean, looking really sharp. Final stage is going to be sealing up all the cracks. We want those cracks sealed up because we want to stop water from getting through the joints, through the cracks, which can cause that driveway to resettle again. Also can cause those joints to kind of widen over time. So we use silicone caulk that's going to be applied and hand tooled, and then we sprinkle some sand on there so it blends in. This is a great way to kind of finish a job to make it look nice and clean. But again, it protects your concrete. There we go. Here are some before and afters. I would say it's pretty dramatic difference. And yeah, this is great. You know, most people, they don't realize that concrete can be saved. It does not have to be replaced all the time, especially if you don't have any major cracks or severe damage to it. This is what we call our 3-step, which is lifting, cleaning, and caulking. And you can see here just how nice it all came out. And I think this was a wise investment for the customer. If you are in the Chicagoland area, you're interested, feel free, click on the link in the description for a free quote. If you are wondering how much one of these projects will cost you, we made a video that talks about this also in the description, so click on that to learn more.